Morning, Marian.
Morning, guys.
What do we got here?
My name is Mike Watkins today.
Nice.
I'm going to be racing this car on the dyno.
And what do we got here? Like GT4 Cup car?
Yeah, GT4.
Actually, no,
Cup car.
I think it's a...
It's a regular GT4. They turned it into a cup
I think
car.
it's a Boxster.
The launch
This
edition.
one?
It looks like it, yeah.
The launch edition.
It's a GT4.
Is it?
Is it? Yeah.
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 Yeah. Yeah.
It's a GT4.
Another one from Speed Sport.
Mm-hmm.
This is
Make sure
actually a 718.
No, that's the
think
newer
it came
ones.
in, no?
This is a 718.
This is a GT4.
718. GT4. 718 is 2017 plus.
You guys don't even know, okay? This is 968.3.
And this is a 997.26.
This is the E equals MC squared.
Thanks, Fudge.
Look at him. Dude.
It's warm out.
It is warm.
49.2 centimeters.
Stay hydrated.
49.2 centimeters.
You got my Fiji today, Martin.
Look at that with the flex. Look at
Look at him over there.
49.2, baby. It's thicker than a Snicker.
Well, Martin, let's get a cold start on this. It looks like a Soul Performance exhaust. And we're back.
Okay. All right. What's up, baby?
So, like we were saying, we got a Soul Performance exhaust.
Yeah, which is really cool because usually you just see these things like straight pipe.
Right. And now with like an official,
Like
exhaust.
Yeah.
So,
This is nice.
let's hear how it sounds.
Purple.
Thanks, Fudge. Trying to get a cold start. Go ahead, Martin. Go ahead. Sounds good.
Yo, this thing was definitely a regular street car. Look, it was a tan interior.
Oh, wow, huh?
Yeah. You see it?
Yep.
So,
Full
street car to race car.
street car to race car.
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right.
Let's get on the dyno.
On the dyno.
About to run on the dyno, Martin.
What's that?
We're running on the dyno.
Running on the dyno. I got my noise canceling buds in.
The next day.
Marion,
Tyler.
Speed Sports back.
Speed Sports back. Look, that's Brian over there.
There's Brian. Another Porsche back.
Yeah. This one's on race gas.
Oh, okay.
The last one that we did was pretty much just running on the dyno for braking. This one we're actually gonna do some power pulls.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then Brian's got his stuff in, so to swap around a couple maps and just see which one's gonna work best for the car.
Cool.
So, yeah.
Sweet.
Probably gonna do like 3 or 4 pulls. We'll
Sweet.
see. Whenever Brian feels good, we're done.
Sweet.